my head of security, Josh, is this a good brand of handcuff? Okay. Not very easily taken off, right? All right. I am assisted by Ms. Kayla Perkins because I wanted to get someone that has not saw these handcuffs. They have not been opened. And first of all, everybody saw Kayla today? Okay. Kayla is a Kentucky girl. Kayla, I want to give these to you to open because I'm the promoter of this, and boy, wouldn't it be great if we just staged that? So this is a brand new unopened box of handcuffs. As you can see, we are not; they're still wrapped up. The bet is this this set of handcuffs retails about $75 to $80. All right. Aron Houdini breaks out of these, they're his. So I'm out $75, $80. I will need dinner tonight. Well, so much for the non-circulation situation of this.
Just because my hand is turning blue. Alright, it is important for me that you guys believe that these are regulation handcuffs, okay? So you'll be able to see Smith & Wesson are probably the top three of handcuffs. They really are, with Gotcha brand being number one and Hyatt's being number two. But if you ask military grade MPs, this is what they're issued. So I'm going to come around, you'll see the Smith & Wesson design. You can see them afterwards. They're not gimmicked. And once again, your applause will be greatly appreciated.
Woo!
And please notice, I don't have any of the little Chris Angel buttons that I put to open them up. And I don't have any of the cameras to stop, let somebody out, and then we'll start the camera back.
Are you ready?
I've always wanted to do that on stage. Living the dream.
Again, guys, your applause are necessary.
Give me a play-by-play.
He's trying to get the handcuffs off. His hand is still blue. His hand is still blue, folks. This is insane. Come on, guys, let's cheer. Come on. There's one. There's one.
About 2.5 minutes.
Honey, I need you to buy dinner tonight. Guys, and just like that, he is out of a pair of handcuffs. Let's give it up for Aron Houdini. Insane. Good job. Wow. Yeah, a little swelling. That may go down by tomorrow. Any other words?
I'm good, and please, y'all come by and try on straight jackets and have fun all day tomorrow, and help me set a Guinness World Record. All right?
Give it up for Aron Houdini. Big thanks to Kayla Perkins.